Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Microsoft Office 365. Microsoft Office 365 is the latest version of Microsoft Office Suite. Microsoft Office Suite comprises Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, OneNote, Publisher, and the rest of them. Once you install it on your system, you're going to have the latest features that will enable you to prepare your document effectively and then increase your productivity. So follow me through as I walk you on how you can install this Microsoft Office 365 in your PC. Let's get started. Open your web browser. For me, I'm using my Google Chrome. Once you open your Chrome browser, you just type this in the search bar. Type Office Customization Tool. Once you type this Office Customization Tool, you can see this very one. Just click on it and open it. So here you are being presented with this particular environment. All you need to do first of all is to select the architecture of your system. Some systems are 32-bit and some are 64-bit. For my system, it is 64-bit. Now here you are going to select the Microsoft 365 app for enterprises. So just click on that very one and select it. You can just leave this one the way it is, and let's just scroll down. Now here you're going to select the type of the apps you need. If you need Access, you can leave it. Any one that you don't need, you can just turn it off. For me, I don't need this particular one. I don't need this particular one. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. So I need Access, Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. So I just click on Next. Once you click on Next, here you're going to select the preferred language that you are going to use in that your Microsoft Office 365. So here I just click and select this United States International thing. Yeah, you can see this very one, English United States. So just click on this particular one and select it. So you click on Next. The moment you selected that, now you click on Next. So just simply click on Next, click on Next, click on Next, and the moment you're done doing that, you just click Finish. So just click on this Finish, and the moment you've done that, you can see you'll be presented with this to export it. So just click on this Export once you are done selecting all of those things. So here now you are going to select this Office Open XML format. So just click on it and click OK. So the moment you click OK, you'll be expected to accept these terms in the license agreement. So just click OK to check it, and you can just click Export. This will be exported to your system. So you can just simply locate where the file is. You can see this is where it is in my system. So I just make sure it is there. So the next thing you are going to do is you're going to type on your web browser Office Deployment 2. Once you type that, you can see this very one. So you just click on it, and once you've clicked on it, this very interface will open up for you. So here you make sure that the English is selected, and so once the English is selected, there are still other languages that may pop up, but if other languages do not pop up, you can just make sure you select English language. So here click on this Download, and the moment you click on Download, you just wait for it to download into your PC. You can see the download is actually done on my system. So the next thing you are going to do right now is that you are going to create a folder and put these two files into that particular folder. So let me create this particular folder. Once you create that folder, let's say we name it Office 365. So And that's that. So click on this file and this particular one and then drag it to this particular folder. You can see this is in this folder. So once you've opened this folder, double click on this very one where we have Office Deployment Tool, and once you double click on it, you're going to see the file will kind of come up this way, and you just click to accept the terms, the software terms, and you click continue. Once you click continue, here you are going to select that particular folder where you've created it in your system. You know, like in my own, I created it in this download folder. So I will just need to locate my download folder and that particular folder that I created in my PC. So this is it. I just click OK. And so this will be extracted. You can see this is the file that is extracted from this very one. So if you've done that, the next thing you need to do right now is to go over to your PC and open your CMD prompt. So you can just come up here and type CMD prompt or command prompt. Once you've typed it, you can open it as administrator. Okay, so here now you are going to type this CD, and once you type the CD, you go over to this particular folder and select the file part of this folder where you have all of these files that we've downloaded. And once you do that, you come up here and paste it. Okay, once you paste it, you press enter in your system. This will now narrow down to that particular folder that we've opened. So the next thing you're going to do is that you return to this your browser and come and type this Office Deployment Tool 2024 LTC and just press enter. And the moment you do that, you can see from this very place, this very first option that comes up in the search result, just click on it and open it. Now this will open up this way. Now scroll down to this very place where you will see this install something. Just scroll down. You can see this install Office LTC 2024 by using the Office Deployment Tool. So just copy this very console. Okay, so once you've copied it, you come up here and paste it. You can see this. So once you paste it, you press your enter. Now you wait for it to actually install in your PC. It is not going to take time. Shortest possible time, it will download and install in your PC. Once you follow this step, you are actually going to install the latest version of Microsoft Office Suite, which is the 365 version in your PC. And it has all the latest features you need to increase your productivity while using Office Suite in your PC. So let's just wait for it to download. You can see that this is actually downloading right now. So you just give it a little while and it will be done downloading. So from here now, you can see that it is done installing. For you to know that it is done installing, you can go over to the search bar and type Word. You can see this is the Microsoft Word. Okay, so you can just open it. You can see other ones. You can see Excel. You can see Excel installed on the PC. So this is how you can actually install Microsoft Office 365 in your PC. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that I'll be the first to get notified when I upload new videos in this channel. Thank you.